US30 this week has risen in value, where we can see these 5 candles where the price has risen in value, then stop it around 37575 and then drop it down to here, which is 37136, and then bouncing back up. And we can see that the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle where the price has returned on a Thursday back up, and it was expected, at least from my side, that the price will drop down even more after this bearish engulfing candle. But the price has found enough strength to stay above and also try to reach again the higher price levels, which means 37548, but the price returned back down because of the Friday when the traders get out of the market. Now on the daily time frame we can see this candle has almost been an indecision candle, but we can see it is a bullish candle with a bullish body where the price has closed the week with a price level above the open price level. And if we take a look on the monthly time frame, after the price has made a bullish breakout to the upside, which means above 36400, we can see the price has risen in value and it is continued to rise in value. Now currently the price is in between these two price levels, which means between 38,000 and below that is 36,400. So this is the all-time high also for the US30 Dow Jones. So this is uncharted territory for the price currently, where I have put 38,000 as the next supply zone and also resistance level. So for now we can see this is the monthly bullish candle, and it doesn't show any signs of retrace possibly on the weekly and also monthly time frame. So if we go on the weekly, we can see that the price is in between these two price levels. So it's very important to see on the daily time frame where the price could go, because currently we do not have any other support or resistance levels around this current price, which means there is an open space to the upside and also open space to the downside. But this bullish breakout that has happened in the 2 weeks ago, it needs to be confirmed. At least I would like to see that confirming on the chart, which means the price returning back down to 36,400 and then continue to the upside, just to be on the safe side, because this would mean also a lot of buyers are here pushing the price higher and there are no sellers pushing the price down. Now if you go to the daily time frame, we can see that this is a price level currently where the price is, and it has formed a bearish engulfing candle, which is always suggesting that the price could drop down. But this engulfing candle should happen always around the resistance level. But for now we can see there is no resistance level currently visible here, unless 38,000, which is a round number. So currently it is very hard to predict where the price could go unless we see here a bullish breakout above, which means 37,575, which means that the price will continue to rise in value. But if the price goes down and also closes below this bearish engulfing candle, this will mean that the price will continue to fall down and reach this area, which is around 36,400, which is a great demand zone and also a support level for the price. So for the next week, everything is still open. I need to see a bullish or bearish breakout from the current area. And also I will share my trading idea with stop loss, with the take profit, also with the entry level inside the trading community. So you can also join if you would like, and the link will be below the video in the description. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.